In this lesson, I'm going to go ahead and add some eyelids. Okay, so I can see it looks like his eyes are kind of sticking out, which is kind of creepy. But again, that's okay. I'm going to kind of bring this down, and I'm just going to be on the plus. And if I hit slash on the number pad, I should get I should be able to isolate it without the eyeballs. And now I'm just going to kind of come in here and get a portion where I can kind of start building that up. Same with up here. And now, if I press slash, it should, there we go. Now I should have something that I can kind of a little bit easier grab onto. There we go. And then maybe hold down Shift for smoothing. And one thing that I like to do on this is to really kind of maybe go into flatten brush and kind of flatten the top of this lid out to really try to define it a little bit more. Maybe even flatten on the bottom of this one as well. Okay, excellent. And maybe even going into my draw sharp with the negative. And come in here for maybe the little bit of the nostrils. Again, on negative. I can kind of see on the chin here, maybe I'll take my flatten to just kind of like get that extra plane there, but just trying to get the kind of the nooks and crannies, the ins and outs of this. Okay, great. Yeah, I feel like this is starting to, again, come together. Even if I'm not totally satisfied with it, I'm going to think about it in terms of stages. And if you're ever working and it feels like, I'm never going to get there, I feel like what I recommend you do is open up a save. Like if you're saving every time, which I recommend you do, like after every 10 minutes or so, is to open up kind of a previous one and really kind of appreciate how far you've come with it. Because sometimes it's kind of a slow process, but then when you start to see how much progress you're really making, it really is motivating. All right, looking good.